Hey, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today I've got a really cool OBS truck for you. This is a 1991 GMC Sierra C1500 that has gone through a nut and bolt frame off restoration and has had a ton of goodies like an LS3 underneath the hood, built 4L65 transmission, full suspension, custom interior, a ton of things that we're gonna go over in this video. But guys, this is by far one of the nicest OBS trucks we've had here at the dealership. And as you can see, you can probably say, hey, that's not a factory color on this truck, and you are correct. This is a color off a C7 Corvette called Long Beach Red, and it looks fantastic on this OBS. Just a beautiful color. But let's start up front here. I always like to start up front, talk about the bumper, the grille, the headlights, the hood, all the gaps on the vehicle. This one's all brand new, guys, up front. The bumper's a smoothie chrome bumper, and it looks really, really nice on here. It ties in well with the wheels and the other chrome features on the truck, like the grille and the headlights. You do have LED bulbs here for your headlights as well, which look really good. Brand new chrome grille here with the GMC badge up front. You do have a 2.5-inch cowl hood on this truck. It is a steel hood, so the fitment is really, really nice on it. All your gaps here between the fender and the hood are really nice and even all the way down. The front windshield is in excellent condition, guys. The fender looks really nice. I've walked around this truck several times, guys, and I literally cannot find an imperfection on it. It's just stunning how nice it is. You got a really nice set of WELD wheels up front. They're 20-inch. You've got some drilled and slotted rotors here for the front that look really nice and some red calipers. Let's check out the gap here on the door and the fender. It's nice and even all the way down. Fits nice and flush. All the fitment on the panels on this truck are really nice as well. These trucks are notorious for having saggy doors. This one has no problems with that. The door opens and closes perfect. Look at the cab here. The cab is nice and clean. No issues down here. I don't see any weird bubbling or anything in the cab corners. That's a notorious place for them to rust, but this truck has been completely gone through and is really nice. We've got receipts on the paint on this truck. They spent close to $20,000 doing all the body work and paint work on this truck. So that tells you right there that it's a very high-end paint job. All your weather stripping here around the door is brand new as well. You do have the sport mirrors here that look really nice as well. Let's look down the bedside here. The bedside is nice and clean, no imperfections. The paint looks fantastic. I don't see any rock chips back here on the rear of the bedside. You also got a WELD wheel out back here. It's 20 inches with the disc brakes in the rear with the drilled and slotted rotors, which is really nice. That is an upgrade. These trucks came with drum brakes. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, you've got a nice roll pan that's been welded in and smoothed and looks really, really nice. Tailgate is in excellent condition. Brand new tail lights that look really nice. The inside of the bed has been professionally sprayed with a bed liner and looks really nice. Guys, I really, really like these old trucks with the bed liners because these trucks can still be used as a truck. You can put your chairs back here, your cooler, you can run to Home Depot, you can run to Walmart, get a big screen TV, and you're not worried about messing up the pretty paint in the back. Some of these guys will go the extra mile and paint the inside of the bed, and don't get me wrong, it looks really good, but then you lose the functionality of a truck, and you can't use it like it needs to be used. This still looks really, really clean, but also protects the bed, which I really like, personally. Guys, overall, exterior of this truck is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, $20,000 on paint and body work, and this thing looks like a straight up show truck rolling down the road, but still has some functionality with that bed liner in the back. But guys, let's work our way up front so I can show you that LS3 under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out this beautiful engine bay. First things I want to talk about is the extra detail that they put into this engine bay, like the paint underneath the hood, the really nice paint on the firewall, and the gloss black tubs that they did. It just definitely really makes that LS3 stand out. Now let's talk about some of the upgrades on the LS3. It's got a really nice carbon fiber PTR high ram intake manifold. It's also got a stage 3 Texas speed cam, which is really nice. This truck also has Holley Terminator injectors and is running the Holley Terminator X-Max ECU, which is really nice. It's also got long tube headers on here that look really nice. You've got the Holley valve covers that cover up the coils. You've got ice cold AC. You also have a nice catch can mounted over on the right side next to that Willwood master cylinder that looks really nice. Just overall, a really clean and nice engine bay that makes that LS3 stand out really nicely. This is definitely an engine bay that you can be proud of, that you can pop the hood, you can show your friends, take it to a car show, or should I say win a car show with this bad boy. This is just one awesome truck, and the engine bay just looks really, really nice on it. Well, let's wrap this up and work to the interior so I can show you what that has to offer. All right, let's check out this beautiful interior on this 91 GMC. First thing you're gonna notice are the seats and the console. The seats are out of a 90s model 454 SS truck that have been redone in this new vinyl material that's just really nice. It's a dark maroon with a red center that looks really nice. And if you've ever sat in a 454 SS truck, you'll know how comfortable they are and how good the bolstering is. It definitely holds you in really nicely without going with a full-blown race seat, and a lot more comfortable than a full-blown race seat. Next thing is this custom console, which is really, really nice. Gives you a nice armrest here. It's got the shifter mounted down here in the floor, which is really nice. And you've got your Holley 3-inch screen there to keep your eye on all the parameters that are going on with the engine. Your dash is in excellent condition here. You do have tilt column and a really nice steering wheel here. You got Dakota digital gauges that look really, really nice. We'll go ahead and just flip this over and light them up. They light up red to match the truck. Your door panels are in excellent condition, guys. I don't see any major issues with those. They literally look brand new. You do have power locks, power windows, which is really nice. Brand new carpet in here. All the plastics and trims in here just look really, really nice. Your headliner is in excellent condition. It's not sagging or anything like that. The visors are in really nice condition. Everything in here really looks like it's brand new and is in excellent, excellent condition. But guys, one thing that I really, really love about the interior of this truck is it's timeless. It's done in a way that 10 years down the road from now, this truck is still gonna be in style and look nice. It's not gonna be dated. They did a really good job with picking the right colors and the right styling of seat and everything. So this truck is going to stay in style for a long time. The more simple you can keep it, the better for the long term of the collectability of the truck. And this one, just, they nailed it on the head of the nail, and it just looks really, really nice, and I love it a lot. But let's get to my favorite part, and let's go take this bad boy for a drive. 2. All right, guys, we're out cruising in the OBS truck, and this thing is so awesome. We're getting tons of looks in it. This thing is just freaking awesome. The paint just makes this truck stand out in traffic, and the sound that this truck makes is just awesome too. I mean, it's got a really nice exhaust system on it. That LS3 just sounds so nice with that Texas Speed Stage 3 cam. The suspension on the truck with the tubular A-arms and the coilovers make this thing drive like a dream. I really love the gauges in here and the upgraded retro sound radio. The shifter is really cool too. You can speed shift if you want, which is a really cool added feature. But overall, a fantastic driving truck that is just really, really nice. This is by far one of the nicest OBS trucks we've had in here, and I'm in love with it, guys. It's a really, really nice driving truck. Let's see what she'll do. Oh yeah, she'll get down. That LS3 is making some really nice power, and this truck has 411 gears in it, so it definitely knows how to get down, and it has really good power delivery. But let's get back to the shop so we can get this one up on the lift so I can show you how nice the bottom side is.
All right, guys, let's check out all the sweet parts underneath this OBS here. Sitting here in the front, I see our transmission cooler lines are nice AN lines going up to a big 40K cooler in the front. It's always nice to see someone keeps an eye on the transmission temps. That's what really helps these transmissions live a long, nice life. We have a nice big beefy sway bar in the front with the hammer finish. Matches these IHC control arms with a nice hammer powder coat as well. Inside here you can see our QA1 coilovers right there in the front. Looks really good. Coming on back, we have our 4065 above us right here. Pan looks real nice. Nice ceramic coated long tube headers. We have heat shielding here to protect the transmission cooler lines. That's a nice touch. V-bands on the exhaust. If you ever need to pull this apart, it'll come apart nice and easy for you. Coming on back, we have a nice polyurethane transmission mount attached to our big, beefy, nice aluminum drive shaft. No concerns of breaking that thing. Also see we have a nice billet fuel filter here. That's good for serviceability. Keep the injectors nice and clean. Brand new gas tank right here with an intake pump, so it's not noisy or anything. Sounds good. Spin-Tech mufflers right here with flex joints. That's nice. We've got a full stainless exhaust here. It's nice that they put the flex joints in to prevent fatigue cracking. We have a nice diff here. This has the 8.5-inch ring gear, which is a little bit beefier. Nice Yukon cover on there, looks well. Nice big beefy rear sway bar, nice Beltec shocks. We have these nice traction bar arms with high joint ends. Looks really good, gonna keep it nice and good. See the back of our disc brakes there, looking sharp. And that's pretty much it, guys. This thing absolutely rips. Check it out on the site soon. See ya.